Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Cross-price elasticity measures how one product's price change affects another's demand. We will solve this honey and yogurt problem in 3 quick steps right now. Start with the formula for cross-price elasticity of demand. It is the percentage change in quantity demanded for honey divided by the percentage change in the price of yogurt. Let's calculate. We know the elasticity is -4 and the price of yogurt increases by 10%. Multiplying these gives a 40% decrease in the quantity of honey demanded. Keep going. The initial 20 containers dropped 40%, losing 8 units. Subtracting 8 from 20 leaves 12, making option D the final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch lines carefully to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.